sifuna ukusubtracta sipende simplify siyibhale as mixed number answer. So siyenza indlela ezimbili. Okokuqala sizoshintsha zombini zibe ziyi-improper fractions bese sisubtracta okanye sizo-subtracta i-whole number parts sipende subtract fractions and then sibone basifumanani. If sizishintsha zibe ziyi-improper fractions le yokuqala izoba over 3 and then numerator ngu 3 times 8 ngu-24 plus 2 kuba ngu-26. So 8 and 2/3 ngu-26 over 3 and then u-5 no-5 over 6 so uzaba ngu-over 6 so 6 times 5 ngu-30 u-30 plus 5 ngu-35 so improper fraction yethu ngu-35 over 6 so ukusubtracta kufuneka sibe ne-common denominator and u-3 no-6 abafani kodwa zombini ziyangena ku-6 so u-6 izoba yi-common denominator yethu so masizishintshe ke zombini u-26 over 3 wasiyifaka over 3 over 6 uhamba from u-3 uye ku-6 umultiply ngo-2 so ne-numerator sizoyi-multiply ngo-2 sifumane u-52 and then 52 over 6 minus lena ke ngoku say over 6 so asizoyichinja so ngu-35 over 6 izosinika i-answer yethu u-52 minus 35 kubani so sofumana okay 52 minus 35 ku-17 17 over 6 and then ileni answer yethu improper fraction so sifuna uyibhala ibe yi-mixed number so sizothi 17 divided by 6 ufumane u-2 ne-remainder yethu and then i-remainder yethu ngu-5 so i-answer yethu ngu-2 no-5 over 5 over 6 so over 6 i-answer yethu ngu-2 and 5 over 6 ke ngo indlela esiyenza ngayo nge-improper fractions iyasebenza okokoko kodwa ngamanye amaxesha inzima ngamanye amaxesha ilula kodwa ihlala isebenza nenye indlela ingasebenza kodwa i-improper fraction indlela endiyithandayo so ke ngoma siyenze ngolena indlela yesibini sizothi 8 minus 5 is i-whole numbers ezi and then plus 2 over 3 minus 5 over 6 now u-8 minus 5 ngu-3 and then apha ke ngoku kwi-fraction le yethu sizozama uyenza sizo-plus ithi ndiyenze ngenye ikhala engafaniyo i-common denominator yethu siyazi uba u-6 so sibhala sibe over 6 zombini ezi-denominator u-5 over 6 yena akazutshintsha and then sitshintsha ngoku-2 over 3 and funeka simultiply ngo-2 i-numerator ne-denominator and i-numerator ngo-4 so ngu-4 over 6 minus 5 over 6 ngoku ezosinika ngoku a negative number esingekazenzi ngoku and ngoku i-answer yethu ingaphansi kwa-0 and uba sike ngoku asifuna uba ne-negative number into esizoyenza kufana noku-regroupa okanye ukuboleka borrowing sizothatha u-3 lo simbhale ngenye indlela ithi draw line enzima ningazuzi mistake as answers singambhala u-3 lo as 2 plus 1 kodwa ngoku-1 singambhali as 1 simbhale as u-6 over 6 u-6 over 6 ngu-1 so if siyi-add kwezi fraction izoba ngu-plus 4 over 6 minus 5 over 6 kwenzeke ntoni apha sifaka lo 6 over 6 si-add lo 4 over 6 si-subtract 5 over 6 sizoba ne-positive number so sizoba nalo 2 plus over 6 i-answer yethu and then sino 6 plus 4 minus 5 ngoku i-answer yethu izoba ngubani sizoba nalo 2 kuqala and then izoba yintoni le over 6 fraction yethu sizoba no 6 plus 4 ngu-10 and then 10 minus 5 ngu-5 so uno 2 and 5 over 6 i-answer yethu efanayo naxa siyenze nakuba ngeyiphi indlela